Good morning, students. Welcome to our education channel, especially in the subject of accountancy. Today we are going to study the direct and indirect tax, that is called DIT for semester 5 for TY BCom. Same topic is available for the BAF students also under the self finance. So under this we are going to study very important technical word. Let's we understand one by one all technical word. First is called assessment year. So assessment year is nothing but a period of 12 months commencing on the first day of April every year. So each year we are starting from April and ending 31st March, and that is called current year or assessment year. So assessment year going on this time April 2022 to 31st March 2023. This is our assessment year. This is our current year. After that, second is the previous year. So section 3 of the define the previous year as follows. So this is a technical word. Previous year means the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. So you can see the assessment year means current year. Immediately preceding the year means immediately last year we have to take into consideration. So that year is known as the previous year. For example, we know that current year is going on, that is called assessment year is going on April 2022 31st March 23. This is our current year. Immediately we have to take the last year, and that is known as the previous year. So previous year will be starting 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. So this is our previous year. For example, see the example. For example, income earned by a person from the last year considering the current year is the assessment year, that is 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. Now what is the meaning of this? Current year is going on April 2020 to 31st March 23. This is our assessment year, and immediately we have to do the last year, and that last year is not a previous year. So April 2022 to 31st March 2023 is the assessment year. Immediately last year कौन सा ईयर आएगा? 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. So this is our previous year. Third is that assessment is very important word. Assessment includes the reassessment. Last year we have to calculate the how much income earned by a particular person, and that is known as a assessment of the SSC. SSC means the person who are going to pay the tax. For that we have to do the calculation, and that is known as a assessment. After that, this is an example. A new business is set up by Mr. Shanti on 1st June 2021. What will be the previous year under the Income Tax Act 1961? So simple answer is there. So this is new business. New business starting from 1st June. So we have to take the from 1st June up to 31st March 2022 is a previous year of the assessment year, 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023. So this is our assessment year, and this is our previous year. This is for your practice. Read the question and try to give the answer. Now fourth is a very important SSC. So SSC is nothing but the person by whom any tax or any other sum of money is payable under the Income Tax Act 1961. Those persons who are going to earn the income, naturally they will liable to pay the tax liability, and that person is known as a SSC. So a person by whom any tax, any interest, any penalty is due, which are going to be payable to the government. Any person whose assessment of income, loss, refund or fringe benefit is pending. After that, a deemed SSC, and after that an SSC in default. All the person are going to pay the dues to the government, that is known as a SSC. After that, very important person. Person is going to be defined in following ways. So following 8 words are coming under the person. So first is that individual. Individual means any male, any female, even an minor and lunatic. Lunatic means those who have not very good sound mind, and minor means what? Who are below the 18. Even they are earning the income they have to pay the income tax, and this is called the individual. Second is that Hindu undivided family, that's called HUF. It includes the wives and unmarried daughter, children and grandchildren. They are called the Hindu undivided family. They will come together, they will start a business, they will earn income, and they are liable to pay the tax. After that, third one is company. Company defined section 2 subsection 17. So, are as follows. Any Indian company is called company. Anybody incorporate under the law of India is called the company. Any institution, association or body which is or was assessed or assessable as a company for any assessment year on or before 1st April 1970 is called the company. After that, fourth one is a firm. You know the firm is what? Where two or more persons coming together and start a business with the intention to earn the profit. This is known as a firm, and whenever they earn the income, they are liable to pay the tax. After that, AOP, that is called Association of Person. And association of person means as an association in which two or more persons join in for a common purpose or a common action for earning the income, where two or more persons come together and start the business and earn the income. That is known as the association of person. That is called AOP. After that, body of individual. So, body of individual means a team of individual carrying on the same activity with the objective to earn the income. So, this is known as the body of individual. So, their aim is fixed, intention is fixed to earn the profit, and these are the coming under body of individual. Very important that inherited under the law, such as also liable to pay tax. After that, local authorities. So, local authority means what? Municipalities is called the local authorities. A district board is called the local authorities. Post of commission is called local authorities. Any other authority legally entitled to control manage the municipal or local body fund is called the local authorities. So, this is also called the person. And last and best, artificial judicial person. So, any entity having a separate legal existence not covered under any of the above category. We have studied the 7 category. If these are not coming under 7 category, that will come under the artificial judicial person category. For example, a deity or idol or corporation of established under the special act is known as a artificial judicial person. For example, a university is called the artificial judicial person. Bar council is known as a artificial judicial person. So, this all the terms include the person. So, let me revise one by one. Under the person, first is called individual, second is called Hindu undivided family, third is a company, fourth is a firm, fifth is AOP, that is called article of association, sixth body of individual. After that, artificial judicial person, and last local authorities. So, these all technical terms under the coming the person. So, thank you very much for watching this video. All the best for your exam.